Hey guys, so this is 13 Kron here again with Keisters 8. We are currently
Gang or die. Oh.
Yeah. Okay. we are currently editing our newest dance for You by Beyonce. So hope you guys like that. It's coming out soon. And this is Hiccups Part 2, just to let you know, because I have hiccups again. I don't even know why I have oh yeah, because I was laughing at the editing. So, anyway, my hiccups are pretty bad. I don't like my hiccups. Dismiss. Oh, and this is my iPod I'm using. Got it for Christmas, and I already cracked it. You guys should watch my cat vacuum video and big lollipops. Those videos.
Big lollipops.
What did you say? It was funnier the first time because it was right. So anyway, I have the most annoying hiccups in the world apparently. Everybody loves them, but they're annoying.
They're annoying.
Especially after a while.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
That's what you sound like.
I'm gonna smack you with this. Oh yeah, so we got this paddle ball thing, and we are crazy with this thing. Like, we don't even know how to work this. Like,
oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Like, I'm almost hitting her with it every time. Like, I try to do something. Where'd he even go? Did my hiccups go away? Oh, no. They definitely did not go away. So anyway, yeah. So watch all of our videos, send them, or post them, or share them, whatever, on Facebook.
Keisters 8.
Keisters
KEESTERZ 8. Did you get that? I hope so, because I ain't doing it again.
And then 13 Kron, 13CRAUN, okay? Post it on Facebook, share it on Twitter.
Tweeter?
Oh,
follow me on Twitter at AO_Kiara. That's AYO_ITSKIARA. Follow me. Team follow back.
I have a Twitter too. But
she don't know how to work it.
I honestly don't know how to work it. I have like 2 followers on there. I have 23 people who like my Facebook like page. So go on that. You guys will like that. It has updates and what I'm doing and stuff and what's new. So if y'all want to stalk me, like them stalkers out there, those haters. Oh my god, y'all who hating on all videos, you all just like these videos, do what normal people do, and move on with your life, and don't be commenting and everything. You can comment with your mouth and everything, just don't write it. Gee lord, y'all haters, if you all doing that. Because if y'all hate or have hate comments on us, we'll like comment on your comment and have hate comments on your thing, so we'll hate against your hating. So yes, we are haters against haters.
I am not hating on anyone.
You're haters against haters.
No, I'm not.
Haters are my motivators.
They can be a motivator, but I ain't hating on them. What am I typing? That's the Bandits,
yeah.
Bro. Oh, go follow the Bandits. Their page is called, hold on, let me look at it because I forgot.
They like to jerk.
The Bandits Bro. DABANDITZBRO. Go.
How many
subscribe.
views do they have?
They have over like hundreds, thousands of views. That's 2,315 views. Right
I got 29,000 on a stupid video.
But they're pretty good, so I'm gonna need you to go subscribe.
Yep. And y'all gotta subscribe to me and her. Okay. Did I hit you?
No.
Anyway, because you all know you love my hiccups. Alright, so just like kill that like button down there and just like go to my page and just like subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, because y'all know you love my hiccups and my friends and my dance videos. Alright, so chill out. And my cat being vacuumed into a vacuum cleaner with her tail. Anyway, so peace out, guys. Mwah. Love you. What do you guys say? Bye.
Bye.